We're excited to see you in Chicago for the 2023 Lean Healthcare Transformation Summit. Hi, my name's Theresa Moore, and I'll be guiding you through the Maximizing Your Improvement Team pre-summit workshop. While the backdrop for this workshop is the improvement team, these concepts can be applied to any support department within your organization. When you think about your support team, how do you feel? Are you energized and excited to help the organization pave the way forward? Or are you tired and exhausted from trying to keep up, not sure what direction to turn? Or does your organization have you spinning in multiple directions? Many of us who work in support areas have a passion for helping others and providing our expertise. If only they would listen to us, right? Maybe we need to listen to them. But what does that mean? And how do you put that into practice? We know that as organizations evolve and transform, so must the support departments. When your organization started, being a 5S guru or a Kaizen facilitator was probably enough. But what about now? How is your support department intertwined with the executive management system, the daily management system? What is needed now and in the future? How are you getting ahead of the organization's needs and developing that support in advance? Are you influencing the path forward, or are you playing catch up? During this one-day workshop, we will walk through a series of exercises to help you assess the organization, your support team, and develop a plan. Applying these tools and techniques back at your organization will help you move your support team in the right direction of what the organization needs now and in the future. It'll help move you and your team away from that feeling of being disorganized and overwhelmed to being one of more focused and energized. I look forward to seeing you in Chicago.